Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an AI tool called Rewriter. So it is not a rewriter like often used rewriters. So it is one of the best rewriter with enhanced words and phrases in it. So it has a better databases related with sentences. So it will interchange your sentences, will rewrite your sentences very better to avoid plagiarism. So you can make use of the option in this Rewriter AI to get rid of plagiarism problem in your research paper. And also it has different options especially related with rewrite, starting from tones to the styles. So there are many rewriting options available in this AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. And also we are going to explore different types of research prompts, especially in ChatGPT, and how to use ChatGPT to generate a better content for our research paper. These are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Here is a best opportunity for you to learn more basics about MATLAB. So this is a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications. In this workshop, we are going to discuss about the MATLAB environment and basic syntax, 2D, 3D plotting in MATLAB, and also we are going to explore about different types of toolboxes, ANFIS toolboxes, neural network toolboxes, and that is fuzzy logic toolboxes in MATLAB, and we are going to explore how to tune PID controller in MATLAB. So these are the basic things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you want to learn more about the MATLAB basics, so don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Interested in EV charging design? So here is a opportunity for you to design EV charging station in MATLAB with renewable energy as its source. So it's a workshop related with EV charging with PV and wind energy sources. So in this workshop we are going to model PV and wind energy sources, and also we are going to implement different maximum power point tracking algorithms to get maximum amount from that input renewable energy sources. And also we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in EV charging design, so don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video. So this is the AI tool we are going to discuss today, that is Rewritepro.AI. So it transforms text for free. So unlike other generic AI word rewriter tools, Rewriter AI Pro boost up your content by adding fascinating words and phrases. This must be very important while rewriting. So because we can't able to use the same sentences, so we may subjected to use the same kind of content. So for that content you have to use this kind of rewriter to convert that words and phrases into different and unique for your research paper. So let us go on and explore this rewriter. So just click on this Rewriter Pro. So it will lead to a dashboard like this here. So as I have already logged in with my Gmail ID, so it will lead to this like this page here. So here you can see, so here there are many options are available here. So here you can see starting from fluency, so default, basic, intermediate, advanced, you have to go for subscription option. Next tone, so here default, so others has to be go for subscription option, that is formal, academic, elaborative, like that. Next here you can see audience general, for example a knowledgeable audience. If you are writing research paper, you can choose this as a knowledgeable. So after that emotion, so here you can see mild and strong. Next length, default, here you can shorten and extend the content using this Rewritepro.AI. So as far as this language is concerned, so for English you will be having US and UK. Other than that you will be having languages like Spanish, French and German. You have to go for subscription option. So here you can see it's a standard, you can customize fluency. So after that we will explore with some examples. So start typing or pasting the text here. So here I am going to Google Bard. So I am going to take a random content from this Google Bard. So after that what you can do is, so go to that Rewritepro.AI, copy and paste the content. So after that you can click on rewrite. So let us see how it will generate content for us. So here you can see I can explain the block diagram. So instead of that I can able to provide the explanation of the block diagram you shared. So here you can see PV array. This is the source of DC power from solar panels. This component serves as a source of DC power derived from the solar panels. So this converter steps up the voltage from PV array to higher DC voltage level. So next its purpose is to increase the voltage from PV array to a higher DC level. The battery stores excess DC power from the PV array and can provide power to the load when the PV array is not generating enough power. The battery stores any excess DC power generated by the PV array and can supply power to the load when the PV array is unable to generate sufficient power. So like that it will be generate a unique content. So and also it will slightly it will elaborate the content by adding a unique words. So you can make use of this option to rewrite your content, especially even when you have generated content by AI. So as like I have did, so you can use this rewriter to get rid of your AI plagiarism. So this will help you to shuffle the sentences and it will avoid plagiarism in your research paper while checking any of your plagiarism software. So here you can make use of this option. So if you need more that is advanced, you have to go for subscription option. So here this is the subscription option of this particular Rewriter Pro. So here you can see monthly $9.95 per month. So you will be having unlimited rewrites per day, extra fluency options, tone options, audience options. So here you will avail all the things associated with the Rewriter Pro. So next you can see $4.99 per month. So for 12 months, that is for a year. So here you can see 59.95. So this is the options you will be having. You will be having a buy plan. So this is all about this Rewriter Pro. So if you are interested in, if you are struggling to rewrite a content to reduce plagiarism, so you can make use of this option in Rewritepro.AI. So you will be having 15 rewrites for free. So you can avail that rewrites and you can generate content with the 15 free rewrites. So after that you have to go for subscription option. So if you are interested in the content gives a better output when you have rewritten, so you can make use of this option to generate a new better content with enhanced words and phrases in this Rewritepro.AI database. So this is all about this Rewritepro.AI. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing plagiarism free. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.